I learned Tama's business has collapsed, and she is left with nothing.
Yesu. I wish I could help her, but I also have my problems to solve.
But I thought she was your bosom friend. At least try to be there for her.
My sister, each one for himself and God for us all. Let me think, I beg.
2 months later, Amma falls sick seriously. Bja visits Amma. Good evening, Amma.
Good evening.
I haven't been seeing you around for months, so I decided to pass by and check up on you.
I'm not that well, but I'm getting better.
Oh, so sorry for that. I will be checking up on you regularly.
Thanks.
I just closed from work, so I will be leaving now.
All right, thanks for the visit.
Few days later, Aku calls Amma.
Hello Amma, how is life? I'm good by grace. I need a favor from you. What favor please? Can you come around my place and help me prepare some orders for a funeral? I won't take no for an answer. For the past months, I have not been feeling well. I don't think I can be of help. Oh really? You are ungrateful.
Aku hangs up.
What kind of friend is this? I now know the kind of person Amma is. Her behavior pisses me off, and after all she does not have money to give me in times of need.
Yeah, Aku, I'm surprised at you. Amma might not be perfect or have money, but her love is genuine. Her sacrifice for us is immeasurable. The time she dedicates for you is enough. You didn't try at all. The 4 situations in the story that will reveal your true or untrue friends are: 1. When you have no money, or when you lose everything you have. 2. When you fall sick seriously, you will identify who cares and who doesn't. 3. When you are handicapped to help some friends to solve their problems, they see you as irrelevant in their lives. Look at what Aku did to Amma. 4. When your weaknesses or flaws are revealed, you will know your real and unreal friends.